This encounter looks ordinary for the first few seconds, until an officer demands identification for no lawful reason. In the UK, police do not have a general power to demand ID, and filming or recording a stadium from public land is not a crime. Yet here, no offence is alleged, no suspicion is explained, and no legal power is cited. That single mistake matters, because once an officer acts without lawful authority, the entire encounter becomes vulnerable to challenge. What follows isn't about security, it's about whether police understand the limits of their own powers. And by the end of this exchange, that question is going to matter far more than anyone expects.
Why?
Pardon?
What's it for? Have you got ID or anything?
Yes.
Can you show me?
Can't hear you.
Can you show me?
ID?
Your ID?
Do you need it?
Yeah, because you're taking pictures of our stadium. I'd like to know why.
Oh, sorry, it's private.
What's it for, sorry?
Readings.
Readings of...
Meters. You know, meters.
For anything specific?
Just data collection.
Yeah, but for anything specific, just trying to understand.
No.
So, just trying to understand why you want to know the meters.
Oh, it's interesting.
Here, the discussion turns to vehicle registrations and so-called private information, and this is where legal misunderstanding becomes clear. Vehicle registration marks are not private data when viewed in public. They are expressly designed to be visible and readable by anyone. However, that does not mean a private citizen acquires policing powers by observing them. The officer correctly identifies that members of the public are not entitled to demand explanations or personal details from others simply because information is visible. What matters legally is purpose and authority. The subject is free to observe and record, but not to exercise investigatory functions reserved to the police. This clip is important because it highlights the boundary between lawful observation and the absence of enforcement authority, a distinction often confused in audit-style encounters.
You won't tell me who you are. Why would you be entitled to anyone else's personal
Well, I don't know who you are, miss. You could be anybody, really.
I'm a police officer.
Really? Oh, sorry, I didn't know that. Oh, right, sorry. Yeah, I didn't know that.
That said, you're not necessarily entitled to people's private information.
Oh, no, it's in the public domain, that.
It is, but so are you. Does that make me entitled to know everything about you, sir?
Yeah, but what can I get off the regis?
Why should you have their registration? Can I have yours?
I want to check to see if they're MOT'd.
Why?
Just in case someone's running bent, you know.
Well, if they are, we have our own professional standards who will take care of that, sir.
Yeah, but what if no one's going to offer up that free information?
In which case you are more than happy to make a complaint to our professional standards department, sir.
Yes, but what if they're all... no one's checked them?
They were all checked coming in this morning.
Who by?
I was ensure that they were all police officers.
Really? All right.
At this stage, the interaction shifts away from law entirely and into requests framed as manners or politeness. That distinction matters. Police officers may ask for cooperation, but they cannot impose behavioural restrictions unless a legal power exists to do so. Requests about how a gate is handled or how equipment is used carry no legal force when no offence is being committed and no safety risk is articulated. The officer does not allege obstruction, criminal damage, or public order concerns. Instead, the request relies on social pressure rather than statute. From an analytical standpoint, this is where officers must be careful. Blending informal requests with perceived authority risks misleading the public about what is compulsory versus optional.
Is there anything further I can help you with?
No, did you have a caller number, did you say?
It's 2482, sir.
Thank you very much, miss. Or lady, which would you prefer?
I don't mind. You can call me officer. That's what I am.
Yeah, but you could be married, so if I called you miss, it might be a bit Oh, okay, yeah. I don't like to be disrespectful, you know.
Don't worry, sir.
You never know in this day and age. Like, some people...
Don't bother me, sir. Who are you, sir?
Pardon?
What's your name, sir?
Scott.
Hello, Scott.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Yeah, good. Can you try not to rattle the gate, please?
It's made of metal, sir. It's a side effect of moving it.
No, but I'm trying to get a picture.
I'm not intentionally trying to inconvenience you, sir. It's just how physics works.
All right, well, just be a bit lighter if you don't mind. Because how it works is it tells you how many meters away from here is, so you get any vibration. It's like a golf rangefinder, you know.
Right. But if I need to open the gate, I need to open the gate.
Well, just be a bit polite if you don't mind.
As I said, it's simple physics, sir.
I'm just asking for general manners, that's all. I'm not
It's
trying
general
to.
manners, sir,
just-
but I can't help what general
I know, but if you
This
could
is
just be
the
a bit.
turning point where procedure is applied correctly. Access to a restricted training facility is controlled, and entry is limited to authorized personnel. Unlike filming from public land, entering private premises is not a general public right. The officer clearly explains the criteria for entry, applies it consistently, and refuses access without escalation or invented powers. No detention is implied, no unlawful demand is made, and the boundary between public space and controlled premises is properly maintained. This clip matters because it demonstrates that the issue is not police presence itself, but whether powers are exercised lawfully and proportionately. Here
Hello.
they are.
Well, you can sit down. I'm not trying to interfere with your day. Are you? Are they all police officers?
Yes, sir.
All right. They don't have a problem, do they?
Coming in.
No, with
Training and
with,
that.
with me.
I don't have a problem with you, sir. I'm just stood on the gate. I'm making
Oh,
polite
sorry.
conversation.
Can I come in,
No, you're not a police officer.
please?
No, sir.
Please.
No, not unless you're a police officer.
You have to be a police officer.
Training and that.
All right.
Unless you're a member of police, fire, or ambulance and you're involved in this training day, I'm afraid I'm not letting anyone in.
Are you not? That's not nice.
It's training day. We have to know who's around.
If I gave my name, would I be able to come in?
No, sir.
Why?
You're not a police officer, sir.
Yeah, but I'm a fireman.
Do you have any evidence of that?
Not on me, no.
You would have a warrant card similar to ours.
No, I'm not like I'm like a warehouse fireman, you know, in case it goes up.
Well, I think we're all right considering we've got two fully crewed engines.
Well, every little helps, you know.
Might do, but nothing's currently on fire, sir.
Well, I could put it out if it ever goes
I'm
up.
sure you would be able to, but we do have the fire service on site.
Well, one more shot and I'll be out of your way.
The
wanna
final
get-
exchange resolves the core legal issue, where filming is permitted. In UK law, filming from public land is lawful, even when it captures police facilities or officers, provided no specific restriction applies. Once the boundary is clarified, the officer adjusts position, rather than asserting a power that does not exist. That outcome is significant because it demonstrates lawful resolution without confrontation. The subject remains on public property, the officer protects the site without overreach, and the encounter ends without detention or enforcement. From a legal analysis perspective, this is how such encounters should conclude: clarity of boundaries, correct application of law, and no escalation beyond what the facts justify.
I can't hear you. Rangefinder.
Yeah, well, you can't film on site, so
I can't hear you.
you can't film on site.
I can't hear you.
You can't film on site.
I can film on site. Which way is in?
You're not allowed. You're-
Oh, if I don't go past this line? Oh, so as long as I do it from here? Alright, buddy. So, mate, I'll go around the other side, yeah? So, what? It just...
on this line here,
Oh, is it just this borderline?
this line, that's
Ah, right.
public property, that's legal.
So, as long as I do it from here?
Yeah.
Alright, so, mate.